Hello, I'm Carrie Kometz, the Solution Strategy Director for Unified Talent. Today we're going to be taking a look at video interviewing with SparkHire using Unified Talent applicant tracking. Let's take a look. From within Application Manager, you are able to initiate an interview request either by checking the boxes next to candidate names and choosing the bulk action to schedule an interview, or by going into the applicant folder and navigating to the Interview tab. After clicking the Schedule Interview button, you will be able to select the interview type and indicate that this is a video interview. This will go ahead and pull up an interview question set that you have determined. I have set up interview question sets to align to either certified or classified staff for multiple rounds of interviews, but this can be customized by any way that you would find helpful. From here, I can choose a date that this interview must occur by, add any optional messages to the interviewer or the applicants, and then click Save and Send. The candidate will receive an email with information about the interview and will be able to view and accept the interview invitation. They will then again see an overview of the interview details and the position that they are interviewing for. They can click to an About Us page that can be customized with information about your district and read FAQs about the interview process. We'll go ahead and accept the interview invitation. From here, the candidate will be prompted to log in for the interview. They can do this either by signing in with LinkedIn, creating a SparkHire account, or logging into an existing SparkHire account. Once logged in, the candidate will see a video tutorial to let them know how to complete the video interview process. The candidate can then proceed to the next step of the process, which is configuring their microphone and webcam and ensuring that their internet connection is stable. It looks like I'm good to go, so we are ready now to enter the interview. First, it will start with a practice section so that the candidate can get familiar with how to use the video interviewing tools. As you can see, the think time, which is how much time they can think about the question before answering, the takes, the number of times they can attempt to answer the question, and the time limit that they have to complete the question on the video will all be displayed for the candidate to review. The practice session will open, and I can click Ready to Record to get started. Up in the upper right-hand corner is the record button. I'll click record, and that will allow me to initiate my practice session. Once I've completed my practice session, I can click stop. That will allow me to review how I looked, ensure that I can hear myself and that everything is going okay. Once I hit yes, I am then ready to begin the interview. Let's go ahead and start. So this first question, I have an unlimited think time, unlimited takes, and a time limit of 1 minute to answer the question. Let's go ahead and dive in. The system will then display my interview question and allow me to preview my webcam in the background. The first question on this interview is, please tell us about yourself and your background in education. I'll go ahead and click Ready to Record. That will pull up my camera, and I'll click the record button in the upper right-hand corner. The candidate can then complete their response. They'll be able to submit their response when they click the stop button. And since I did have the ability to retake this one, I can go ahead and click the retake button or go ahead and submit my answer. It'll have me confirm that I'm ready to submit the video. From here, we'll do the same thing for questions 2 and 3. Once the interview has been completed, the candidate will receive a confirmation message and will be able to provide feedback on the interview experience. Back in the applicant folder, HR and hiring managers will have the ability to view completed video responses. From the Interview tab, they can click the Launch Video button, which will open up the completed interview. HR and hiring managers can then click into each of the questions that were asked and play the video response for each question. We hope that this has been a helpful overview of how to do video interviewing with SparkHire and Unified Talent applicant tracking.